Hello, everyone. Check out these knit joggers that you can create as a knitting kit or just download the pattern. Ready to knit the coziest pair of joggers you'll ever own? Today we're talking about the Cable Crush Joggers, a knit pattern and kit that combines comfort, style, and just the right amount of detail. Available as a knitting kit, or download the pattern in the link below. These joggers are knit top-down, in the round, and completely seamless. You'll start at the waistband, create a double brim, and then add a classic tie at the waist. From there, you'll shape and increase for the tush, giving these pants a comfy, relaxed fit with 8.5 to 10.5 inches of positive ease. The body of the pants is worked in the round, before separating for the legs. Additional stitches are added between for the inner thigh, and each leg is knit top-down. Once the first pant leg is complete, you'll pick up and knit the second. The design also features short rows for an ample fit in the rump and cute cables along the pockets, making these joggers both functional and stylish. One of the best parts? This pattern is size inclusive, written for 9 different sizes, from XS all the way up to 5XL. It's rated level 2 easy, making it perfect for confident beginners and beyond. The joggers were designed as a matching set with the Cable Crush Hoodie, so you can knit the full lounge set for the ultimate cozy vibe. Whether you're hanging out at home or running to the grocery store, these pants are perfect for everyday comfort. Check out more in the links below. You can grab the Cable Crush Joggers as a downloadable pattern, or pick up the complete knitting kit, which includes Woolly's yarn and the pattern together. Just check out the link in the description to get started. Don't forget to highlight your size before you begin so you can easily follow along with the stitch counts. Be sure to also check out the matching knit Cable Crush Hoodie that is available as a knitting kit or download just the pattern to make the joggers. If you like these patterns, check out this designer's patterns and kits, also in the description links. So if you've been dreaming of knitting your own pair of cozy, stylish joggers, the Cable Crush Joggers are exactly what you've been looking for. Be sure to check the description below for the links, and happy knitting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.